It's not going to be easy. When you want to change, it's not easy. If it were in fact easy, everybody would do it. But if you're serious, you'll go all out. So yes, I'm going to turn this situation around. I'm not going to sit back and moan and cry over what happened and what went wrong and who did what. I'm going to do something about this situation.
Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I want to show you exactly what to do to make $50 all for free. You preferably need a job, but if you don't have a job, I can still show you how you can make $50 commission all for free. There's no fee for signing up. There's no monthly fees for this, and you can easily get paid on a weekly basis. So what I want you to do now is just click that link below. Once you click that link below, it's going to bring you to a page just like this. If you see this page, that means you're on the right track. If you don't, I don't know what you did wrong. But if you don't have a Chime account, some people know about Chime, but a lot of people don't. So I'm gonna explain what Chime is. Chime is just an online bank account. So it's the same thing as a Wells Fargo, Chase, any major bank. Chime is just on that level as well, but it's just strictly online. And what the good thing about Chime is, you get your paycheck, especially if you link your job up, you get your paycheck 2 days earlier. There's no fees, there's no hidden fees, there's no monthly fees. They just, of course they charge you if you overdraft and stuff like that, but we're not here for that. So, but like I said, you can sign up, link your direct deposit to it, and get the free $50. That's that simple, and you already made money. You don't have to do nothing else. You don't have to sign people up. You can just get the $50 like that. But if you do want to make more money, you can easily help your coworkers or help your other friends make this $50 as well. And I can show you exactly how to do that. So once you get your Chime account and set everything up, go through the verifications, you should get to a page just like this. Log in and get to your back office. Now this is what I have been doing for the last couple of days. Let's just put this referral. Alright, so this is what I've been doing the last couple of days. You see, the last couple of days I've been making referrals. I just been doing the same thing, just telling people, basically, do you want to make $50? You want to make $50? Sign up with Chime, link your direct deposit to it. Because now most jobs you have to link a direct deposit to, they're gonna put your money on a card, or unless you're gonna wait like 2 weeks or 10 days for your paycheck in the mail. But yeah, sign up with Chime. That's what I tell people, sign up with Chime so you can get this easy $50 and you can get your paycheck pretty early. So once you do that and get that set up and make your $50, but for the people that don't have a job and still want to make the money on the side, or even you already have a Chime app or a Chime and you still want to make some money with it, this is what you want to go do. You want to click on invite friends. You want to get your referral code. Get your referral code. Copy this referral code, and we're going to bring this referral code into bit.ly.com. You guys, make you a bit.ly link, because the link that we have is pretty ugly. People know what it is. You want to basically make it personal to yourself, but throw it in there and get creative with it and give it a name, and so you can have it on file, because you usually supposed to share this link everywhere. But once you do that, you want to come over here to Facebook. Once you get to Facebook, let me just show you. Matter of fact, while we on Facebook, I'm gonna show you the ad that I posted that made me some good money. So I'm gonna come down here. Where did I post? Right here. I posted this on the 11th, and it's just a regular post, an email post letting people know that I received $50 from Chime. Like I said, people are signing up, getting this $50. So the only thing I have to do is just sign up, link your direct deposit to it. It's got to be $200 or more, of course, but link your direct deposit to it, get the $50. So that's what I did, and I actually just took a picture of that, threw some emoji hearts on it, and my post says Chime is still paying $50 just for setting up an account, totally free to join. And it is totally free, and people click on this link. And of course they were asking for information as well, but People clicked on that link. You see what the day was? It was on the 11th. Let's see. On the 11th, I got the referral. And you see what that post did? I haven't posted that again. I have not posted it since the 11th. So I made 100, 200, 250, $250 in a week just from one post. That's how powerful it is, people. Exactly what I do. I also post in groups as well. Groups help out. I haven't posted in groups in a while, but groups definitely. Let's see, Chime. And let's go to my groups. See, I posted that on the 19th. See, I post my results. That helps. So that just shows proof, and it gives people, you know what I'm saying, basically enough confidence to go ahead and get started and get this free money. So let me just click on that. Like I said, I'm already up $100 today to get this free money, people. And people just click on the link. Just continue to click on the link. And the only catch is the Chime, where you can only make basically how many referrals? Maybe about 20 referrals, and that can get you like $1,000. They cap at $1,000 a year, but it's still cool, easy money. You know, extra $1,000 in your pocket. That's an easy vacation. You know, you can basically do a lot with that. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully y'all find value in this video, man. Y'all do download the link, get the $50, set up a direct deposit, get the $50, use Chime, especially if you can't get a bank account. Chime gonna get you that bank account, and use Chime, get your referral link, share it everywhere, share it to Facebook, make posts, and get this free money, guys. You know what I'm saying? It's just that simple. So hopefully y'all find value in this video. And if you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.